This is the Rossi CP50 LT machine that we have for sale. It is turned off right now. I'm going to turn it on. Turned on. It's starting. It's doing its self-check and diagnosis. Here it is. Of course, it is going to go in temperature. Okay, turned it on. Now the temperatures will be off. Of course, it's cold. But as you can see, everything is working. Okay, the current is working. The temperatures are reading and they are climbing slowly. It will take a few minutes. We go on to the other pages and we see that it has the automatic, the singular, and the manual. Now we go back. So that's working, and this is the automatic grinder, the section for the coffee beans, the grinder manual, and this, we're going back to the main page. And as we can see, the temperatures are rising. Everything is okay. Of course, there are alarms because the temperatures are not in temperature yet.